RapidReviewz review. Honest RapidReviewz review. My opinion, is it worth using? A few days ago, Yogesh Agarwal sent me review access to this brand new software. And in this part of RapidReviewz review, I want to give you a quick overview of it. You probably always wanted to truly tap into the potential of video marketing, but never had enough time or patience to create video after video. That's where RapidReviewz comes into play. Now you can do all that with just 2 clicks. RapidReviewz is drop-dead simple. Getting targeted traffic is easy with it. And then they even have a SEO Max module that lets you boost your videos to number 1 in Google and YouTube fast. RapidReviewz connects to YouTube and Vimeo through public API. Your API is set within software settings. Connecting L2V with your YouTube and Vimeo account is 100% within YouTube and Vimeo TOS. The amount of traffic you can drive really depends on the niche, the audience in that niche and the phrase. Most of our videos drive traffic every day, some significant amounts while others drive smaller amounts. The point is the whole process takes minutes and all the traffic we do get is 100% free. The creators are including their own content video formula when you purchase today. This is the same very simple process they have been using since 2015. Most of their content videos ranked quickly on Google page 1, remained on page number 1 and consistently drive free targeted traffic to our offers and pages. So, the most important question, can I really make money with this? The simple answer is yes you can, but as with anything relating to business you will have to include a little effort. You will have to use the software to make your content videos and upload them so you can drive traffic to your offers. If you use the software, follow their formula, apply a little effort, you will reap the rewards. It is simple. With RapidReviewz you can target and profit from any niche without knowing anything about the niche. Unlike nearly everything else out there, RapidReviewz doesn't just work in the internet marketing space. You can target absolutely any niche without actually knowing anything about it. Simply drop a link or keyword into the software and RapidReviewz makes you a content video in minutes which will continue to drive traffic and sales on complete autopilot. All you have to do is log in to RapidReviewz, watch the step-by-step training, choose a niche, grab a link or drop in a keyword and you're all set. It will generate a content video in minutes as soon as it does. Click to upload it to YouTube and SEO the video from the dash. Then rinse and repeat. Will I need a website? No, you won't. They know that not everyone has a website or blog, and we know that the thought of building one just seems like a whole lot of work. So they built RapidReviewz to capitalize on organic search traffic using YouTube as a platform. Simply upload your completed videos directly to YouTube. RapidReviewz connects to YouTube, with your link in the description. Your link can drive traffic anywhere you want it to go. Send it directly to affiliate offers if you wish. And remember, your YouTube link can always be changed without affecting the video or its search engine ranking position. And if you do have a blog or website that needs traffic, then RapidReviewz is the perfect tool to send unlimited traffic. E.g., turn each one of your existing posts into a content video. Upload and link back to the post. We do this too. You will be getting the vendor's greatest bonuses for your fast action, and also my ultimate huge bonuses. Complete the second part of the review, link in description.